हा, गुड इव्हनिंग सर. गुड इव्हनिंग.
हा बर, आता मी स्क्रीन शेअर करू का?
हा, करा ना सर.
एक सेकंड.
हा,
गुड इव्हनिंग.
गुड इव्हनिंग. गुड इव्हनिंग.
हाय बुलडॉग.
चला करा.
एक मिनिट, गायब झाले.
हा, टेक युअर टाइम.
हा, आता मला स्क्रीनवर या आय कॅन सी या ऑल थ्री. बुलडॉग दिसतोय मला स्क्रीनवर.
हा,
स्क्रीन शेअर करू का?
हा, करा ना.
कर ना. कर गो अहेड.
तुम्हाला दिसतंय का बघा ना ते स्क्रीनवर.
हो, दिसेल. सांगतो दिसायला लागले. Yes.
म्हणजे इट टेक्स अ लिटल व्हाईल, 2-3 सेकंड्स एक्स्ट्रा घेतो.
म्हणजे मला दिसतंय.
हो, मला पण दिसतंय. आम्हाला पण दिसतंय.
आम्हाला ते वेळ लागतो ना थोडा.
दिसतंय.
बर, ओके. आता मी माझ्या जवळ एक मशीन हातात घेतलंय, ते दिसतंय तुम्हाला?
ते नाही दिसणार. मशीन नाही दिसणार.
माझ्या हातात म्हणजे माझ्या चेहऱ्याच्या जवळ.
नाही, ते कसं दिसेल? तुमचा चेहरा नाही दिसणार. आता इथं स्क्रीन दिसणार फक्त.
नाही, मग छोट्या ह्याच्यात ते माझा व्हिडिओ नाही दिसत का माझा?
एकच मिनिट. हा, ते मला मी मिनिमाइज केलं होतं ते.
ओके.
हा, दिसतंय. हा, तुमची दाढीला हात लावलाय. हा, दिसतंय.
दिसतंय.
Yes.
मशीन मला मध्ये हे मशीन दिसतंय का?
हो, दिसतंय.
म्हणजे हे चालू असताना आता मी लाईट ऑन केली त्याची.
येस.
दिसतंय.
ओके.
हो,
ठीक आहे. म्हणजे मग त्यावेळी हे ज्यावेळी मी दाखवायचं असेल ना, त्यावेळी मग हे कसं मग करायचं?
नाही, काय तुम्ही सांगत असताना तुम्ही हे करू शकता ना.
स्क्रीन मिनिमाइज स्क्रीन.
नाही, तुमचं स्क्रीन चालूच राहू द्या आणि तो लोकांना दिसेल ना. त्याच्या कसं पॉपअप विंडो छोटीशी राहते खालती. स्पीकर म्हणजे साईडला स्पीकर पण दिसतो. म्हणजे कसं की एक राईट हँड साईडला त्या बॉक्सला एक स्क्रीन येते. ती स्क्रीन चालू राहते.
ओके.
हे बघ, तुझं प्रेझेंटेशन तू खाली कॉर्नरला तुझं दिसतो. पिक्चर इन पिक्चर मतलब PIP, पिक्चर इन पिक्चर.
कुठे आहे PIP?
अरे तसं दिसतं तुझं प्रेझेंटेशन वर दिसतं आणि खाली तुझा फोटो दिसतो.
कळलं. ओके. येस. गॉट इट.
दॅट इज PIP.
त्यामुळे काळजी करू नका. आणि ते काय दिसेल तुमचं, म्हणजे ते जे काय आहे ते मशीन वगैरे, तुमची दात दाखवा, ते सगळं दिसेल आता.
अच्छा, ओके. आणि याच्यावर माझ्या याच्यावर काही चॅट बीट काही दिसत नाही, चॅट्स वगैरे काही?
चॅट खाली असतं ना, खाली बघा ना तुम्ही. चॅट म्हणजे तुम्ही जर स्क्रीनच्या खाली जर बघितलं तर त्यात म्यूट असेल, स्टॉप व्हिडिओ असेल, सिक्युरिटी, पार्टिसिपेंट, चॅट वगैरे आहे. तर त्या शेअर स्क्रीनच्या जवळ आहे.
नाही, माझ्या चॅट नाही येते. मी एक माझं स्क्रीनशॉट पाठवतो माझ्या स्क्रीनचा.
बघ, पार्टिसिपेंटवर क्लिक केलं की तुला चॅट दिसतो. पार्टिसिपेंटवर क्लिक करायचं.
ओके. ठीक.
पार्टिसिपेंटवर क्लिक कर, मग तुला खाली चॅटचा ऑप्शन दिसतो.
ओके. कळलं. येस. गॉट इट.
आता काय करावं लागेल माहितीये का तुम्हाला, डॉक्टर साहेब?
हा, बोला ना.
काय मला म्हणजे आता माझ्या दाताचे सगळं फ्री मध्ये करावं लागेल तुम्हाला. सर्जरीज वगैरे.
With 18% component next year.
काही नाही. झिरो फ्री मध्ये. गुड इव्हनिंग सर. जनरल मेहता.
Good evening, folks.
Good evening.
Yeah, good. Great effort, Shashikant. Great effort, Yogesh.
Very true.
We are free to do it, sir. So that's why we are trying to.
Wonderful.
Oh.
Walaikum salam.
Malikum salam.
Welcome. There is a health lecture.
Yes. Hello, everybody.
Sir,
yeah,
we will start in next 2 minutes. Yes. Wait for 2 minutes. People are joining.
Okay. Just give me a hint when to start.
Yes. I'll introduce you. Don't worry.
Okay. And listen, माझी लास्ट स्लाइड झाली ना, तर लास्ट स्लाइडच्या वेळी मी आय एम कंक्लुडिंग अँड डॉक्टर अपूर्वा विल टेक ओव्हर. आणि मग त्यावेळी सुनील बोडकेचं म्हणजे स्क्रीन स्लाइड माझीच राहील आणि अपूर्वा बोलेल तिकडे.
ठीक आहे. चालेल.
Okay, no problem, no problem, no problem.
Good evening all.
Wait
Is
for
all
2 minutes or
Okay,
so,
sir.
and we'll start at
बोडके सर, डॉक्टर
5:35
बोडके
dot.
सर, गुड इव्हनिंग.
Shashikant, yes, how are
हा,
you?
गुड इव्हनिंग. तुम्ही काय आमच्यावर नाराज
Good
दिसताय?
काय बाबा?
अरे
काय ते
बोडकेला
देशपांडेने सांगितलं की तुम्ही लगेच येस म्हणून सांगितलं. आम्ही विचारलं तर तुम्ही नाही म्हणून सांगितलं.
कधी कधी विचारलं तर नाही म्हटलं राव. असं काय करतो? बुलढाण्याची दाढी बघ ना, घाबरतो आम्ही त्याला.
Right, right, right.
अरे काय दाढी एकदम वाटत काय रे बाबा?
वनवासात
बुलडॉग.
जाणार आहे.
मी करतो, माझा व्हिडिओ चालू करतो मी पण.
Anyway, hi all of you. Almost 15 plus people have joined. In the meantime, in a minute or so, I'll introduce Dr. Prakash Patil, and I think we should continue because we have to.
योगेश, योगेश, योगेश. हॅलो योगेश.
I think तो आहे का? त्याला आवाज जात नाही काय माहिती.
अवघड आहे. योगेश तर काम करतोय.
Others can mute.
अरे योगेश,
योगेश देशपांडे आहेत का? आले परत आले ते. योगेश देशपांडे आले.
आले ते रिस्टार्ट झालं सेशन.
हा योगेश, कसं आहे ते तू
Yes.
दोन्ही स्पीकरला आता इंट्रोड्यूस कर आणि मग लेट डॉक्टर प्रकाश टेक ओव्हर.
Yes.
More important.
ठीक आहे.
Yes, I'll do that now.
आपण आता मी म्यूट
You can mute others.
सगळ्यांना म्यूट करून घेऊ.
बाकीच्यांना म्यूट कर. Yeah, please mute others. And you will instruct others also to get.
एकच मिनिट.
I think I'll start the introduction.
मी आधी तू तर अनम्यूट आहेस, परंतु ह्यांना दोघांना अनम्यूट करू देत ना, डॉक्टर साहेबांना आणि
Okay. Sunil.
बोडके साहेबांना.
Yeah.
हा. येस सर. चला.
Hello.
हा,
Yeah,
इंट्रोडक्शन
good evening all. Today we have two speakers on the different subjects. One is Dr. Prakash Patil from 1988 batch, who is a doctor in dental sciences. He has done his MDS, BDS and MDS, and a very renowned doctor in Pimpri-Chinchwad, or rather Pune region as well. Quite serving to all the Ajinkes as well and to the humanity. Very efficient and very proficient and expert doctor in dental sciences. And the next speaker is Sunil Borke, with a IT career of almost 25 years plus, and now runs his own company. The topic he will be covering is the entrepreneurial challenges, because he himself started his own company way back around 8 to 9 years back and faced a lot of challenges. So he's a right speaker to tell us about what are the challenges that entrepreneurs faces. So these are the two speakers that we'll be having today, who will be sharing their G9 experiences and guide us and elaborate on their achievements. And Dr. Prakash Patil will be also assisted by Apurva Bodke, she is studying her doctorate in, she's also doing her doctor science in dental sciences. So I hand it over to Dr. Prakash Patil now, and subsequently followed by Apurva and then Sunil Borke. Thanks.
Thank you, Yogesh.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome all.
Good evening, Ajinkans.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, they are
Yeah.
able to hear you. Yes, you are audible.
Very good. First of all, my sincere.
You can be a little louder also.
Am I clear now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you also connected on mobile? Because there is the echo I see.
Okay, I'll have to stop. I think 1 second.
You have to stop mobile if you are connected.
हा,
on mobile.
मोबाईलचा स्पीकर बंद करा.
मी बंद केलं चालेल, तो आता लॅपटॉपवर कनेक्टेड आहे, काही गरज नाही.
Okay.
नाही, त्यांना ते दाखवायचंय ना दुसरं. नाही, प्रकाश सर बंद करू नका. तुमचं फक्त त्या मायक्रोफोन बंद करा मोबाईलचा.
मोबाईलचा मायक्रोफोन बंद.
हा, मोबाईलचा मायक्रोफोन बंद करा, कारण कसं की तुम्हाला ते परत दाखवायचंय ना बाकीचं काय.
Now is it better?
नाही, आवाज डिस्टर्ब.
Unmute करा.
जे चाललं होतं ते ठीक होतं सुनील.
Okay, ठीक आहे. I think we'll start.
Yes, go ahead.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Okay. Today's talk, actually, it is related to mainly what care should be taken for all of us during COVID times, Corona times, especially for dentistry. What are the risks involved and what are the preventive tips for you all? That is one. Second point, we care for our loved ones, the whole family. So I have divided my talk in 3 parts. The first part will cover care for preventive tips for the children. Second is for the adults like middle age or people like 40 to 30, 40, 50 group. And we have some our Sainiks, Ajinkans who are slightly above 55, 60. So I have some points for them as well. And at the end, I would like to conclude this with some myths and facts related to dentistry. Myths and facts related to dentistry that Dr. Apurva Bodke will take over at the end. So 4 things are there. Out of those 3 parts I'll cover right now. So family oral care. So this program is oral health awareness for all age groups from children to aged people. First, I'll start with kids. Am I audible? Is slide clear? Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yep. Bulldog.
Yes, you are audible.
You are audible.
And
You
my
can
slides-
carry on.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can
Very
carry
good.
on. People are able to hear you.
Okay. So first in kids, I would like to stress few points. First point I want to stress, or rather you can write in the chat box. At what age you should start brushing the teeth? The child, at what age the child should start brushing or cleaning their teeth? What are your guesses?
People won't be able to
From
respond
third year.
because they're on mute.
In the chat box? Okay, no problem. I'll go ahead. So actually, you should start brushing or cleaning of the kids or the infants even when there are no teeth. What the point I want to make clear here is, जसं बाळ अंगावरचं दूध प्यायला लागतं आणि बऱ्याचदा दूध पिता पिता बाळ झोपतं किंवा अंगावरचं दूध सोडल्यानंतर कधी कधी बाटलीचं दूध पिऊन बाळ झोपतं, तर बऱ्याच वेळा तो दुधाचा थर, द लेअर ऑफ द मिल्क is there in the whole cavity, not necessarily on the teeth. So it can cause oral infections, bad breath, and when the teeth erupt, it will cause dental decay. We call it as nursing dental decay or nursing caries, nursing bottle caries. So what happens, all the front 4 teeth, म्हणजे शोरूम मधले पुढचे 4ही दात मुलाचे खडून जातात. म्हणजे the reason behind is over pampering. म्हणजे आपण त्याला 2 कारण आहे, म्हणजे बॉटलने दूध देतो किंवा त्या दुधामध्ये साखर किंवा बोनविटा ऍड करतो आणि तेच रात्रभर ते दुधाचा थर लेअर दातावरती आणि हिरडीवरती राहतो, and that causes tremendous damage. That is a pandemic all over world, but mainly in India. इंडियामध्ये हे प्रमाण खूपच आहे. So when I go for school children checkup, I always see their front 4 teeth, शोरूम मधले पुढचे 4 दात मुलांचे हे नेहमी खुडलेले असतात किंवा तुटलेले असतात. आणि आई वडील काय म्हणतात माहितीये तुम्हाला, उगवतानाच तसेच आले दात डॉक्टर ते. तर आपण देवाला म्हणजे इनफॅक्ट वी ब्लेम नेचर, पण इनफॅक्ट वी आर द मेन culprits. The parents are the main culprits. There are other things about children like which brush and all, but for toddlers you can clean with a clean handkerchief or clean cloth with just mouthwash in it, or you can take a saline water, make it wet and wipe all the gums and the lips. Slightly, maybe at the age of 2, 3, you can use a finger brush. It is a kind of silicone material, very soft, that you can use to clean the teeth. And now the question remains, many times the child wants to brush on his or on her own. And that is the time we say, nahi jamega, but you should encourage, let them brush. But point I want to make here is, after they brush, it is the duty of the parent, either father or mother, they have to ensure that they have to clean the teeth of that child, okay, after the child. Because so what is the age, what is the age when you should allow the child to independently brush his or her teeth? Any guesses? Again, you can write in a chat box. We can give 10 points for this. What is the right time or right age when child can brush his or her teeth on her own or on his own? If there any, if everything is clear, you write clear. Points are, my points are clear, okay? So I can correlate this incidence to, or I can tell when a child can tie his shoes lace on his own without taking parents' help. That is the time you can give brush to that child to brush his teeth on his own. Like that means that dexterity is developed. तेवढं skill जे ब्रशिंगला लागतं, प्रेशर, कानाकोपरा गेला पाहिजे, तर तेवढं स्किल त्यावेळी आलेलं असतं ज्यावेळी आपला बच्चू लेस बांधू शकतो स्वतःच्या स्वतः. Am I clear?
Yes.
Bulldog, you can respond.
Yes, we are clear. Go ahead.
So there are many other points. I'll not stay there. We'll go to the next slide. We'll go to some facts. Now, what happens if the children have decay? There are 2-3 problems which are resulted due to dental decay. One is they can't eat properly, number one. Second is the teeth eruption is disturbed. म्हणजे दात वेळेवाटे व्हायला लागतात, दात अडकतात किंवा एकावर एक यायला लागतात. त्यामुळे जो तो दात ज्या त्या वेळेत पडला पाहिजे. If some tooth is catching decay, get it filled as early as possible. Don't think this is a milk tooth. This is a deciduous tooth and it has to go one time. दात साधारण आपले वयाच्या बच्चूच्या दुसऱ्या वर्षी यायला सुरू होतात आणि वयाच्या 11 ते 12 वर्षापर्यंत स्टेप बाय स्टेप यायला लागतात. म्हणजे तरीचा आणि वयाच्या 7 ते वयाच्या 12 मिक्स स्टेज आहे, मिक्स स्टेज त्यावेळी. This we already covered, brushing tips. There is something called as phones technique for children, which we will see a video later on, not on this platform, but we'll see it maybe sometime later. I'll share some fun facts. This I already told you, kids don't have the dexterity to brush their own teeth until they can tie their own shoes. That is the link you can, okay? And you should allow the child to pick his or her brush on their own so that they learn how to take care of their teeth. It should become a fun for them. This is for your grandchildren or for children, not for, but you can share this. If there are some teachers, you can share this in a school as well. What I want to add here is there is something called as Pitt and Fisher sealants. You should do regular checkup for child's teeth, and I'll take one. And I don't know if there's one facility to point it out. I think it is there. Yeah. So this tooth, if you see, there is no pain in this tooth. There is nothing. Neither the child nor the parents can make out something is wrong. But I know after 2-3 years, this tooth is going to go for extraction or root canal because there is a and very simple procedure. You can apply a coat on the teeth and that protects the teeth from decay. Now we'll go to the care for the adult people. My formula is there should be no cavity, there should be no gum disease, there should be no bad breath, and one more factor too you can add to this, there should be no ulcers, any kind of ulcers, recurrent ulcer, pre-cancer, or any leukoplakia, erythroplakia, any patch, no ulcer, no bad breath, no gum disease, and no cavity. That is, we call it as good oral hygiene. If you lack any one of this, if there is your teeth are good, but there are your gums, there is bleeding gums, it's not a good sign. If there is bad breath, like when you're talking and all, in fact, there is a link. if you have your grandson or granddaughter with you, even if that जरी दात नसले, and if you are taking him close, you are cuddling him, there is a big chance that gum disease producing bacteria will transfer from your mouth to that new the toddler, where although there are no teeth, but there is a chance that he will develop gum disease. So ensure your personal oral health is of very, it is up to date, and it is of very importance, including mainly gums. So in India, I found people will come only if there is pain or swelling, or if they can't eat. They never come for preventive, like kuch redness dikh raha hai, there is some bleeding gums, there is some black spot. Nobody reports at that stage, when it is more economical, it is more pain-free, and it is very simple. Am I audible, Bulldog? Bulldog झोपला का? Shashikant, am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
You are audible.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So these are different aspects which are related to adult. I will not go into the detail, but I would like to cover mainly important ones. I will not go in each. I'll just cover the important ones. So we have three. One is cavities, that is dental caries. Second is gum disease, and third is oral cancer. Out of these, cavities can result into pain, or it can result into removal of teeth. Gum disease can result into bleeding gums, redness of gums, bad breath, and these both cavities as well as gum disease will result in loss of tooth. If you lose one or tooth, it starts disturbing the normal occlusion and normal balance, and it is you can say the onset of you can say disturbance of your normal well set occlusion, and it will deteriorate day by day unless you restore it as and when. And third is oral cancer. I'll give you very nice, we have a very nice unique machine to detect cancer at a very early age without any biopsy, without injection, without cutting. So people who are in high risk, like smokers, alcohol use, tobacco use, nowadays, in fact, viral infections, herpes simplex, HPV, all these viruses also cause oral cancer. So some people say कि मला काही सवय नहीं है. Like the bad oral sex habits, even that can cause oral cancers due to HPV virus. So some people say कि मला तंबाखूची किंवा हिची काही सवय नाही तरी कशी काय मला कॅन्सर झाला. The reason is the different other reasons, including chronic irritation. काही घासत असेल, शार्प टूथ घासत असेल, किंवा काही लावलेला दात असेल आणि तो शार्प असेल, किंवा अक्कलदाढ वाकडी आली असेल, तर त्याच्या घासण्याने सुद्धा कॅन्सर तिथे सुरू होतो कॉर्नरला. बऱ्याचदा कॅन्सर जिथे पान सुपारी गुटखा खातात तिथे होतो, किंवा कॉर्नरला सुरू होतो अक्कलदाढीच्या ते, विदाउट रिझन, विदाउट एनी हॅबिट्स. आता मी थोडस कॅव्हिटीवरती बोलणार आहे 1-2 मिनिटं. आता इथे तुम्ही स्टेजेस पाहिले आहेत. दिस इज द नॉर्मल हेल्दी टूथ. इथे डिके थोडा सुरुवात झालेला आहे, इथे थर्ड पॉइंटला थोडा अजून सुरू झालेला आहे, हा अजून डीप गेलाय आणि अजून डीप गेलाय. विल सी द डिफरन्स. दिस इज हेल्दी टूथ अँड दिस इज द इन्फेक्टेड टूथ.
ओके.
सो विल गो वन बाय वन. पहिल्या 2 स्टेज मध्ये, स्टेज 1 स्टेज 2, ज्यावेळी कॅव्हिटी ब्लॅक स्पॉट कमी आहे, you can just do filling. Filling is the only treatment and it is very safe, painless and very cost effective. Third and fourth मध्ये you have to either do root canal or remove tooth. That आणि बऱ्याचदा आमच्याकडे लोक या स्टेजला येतात, थर्ड किंवा फोर्थ, आणि म्हणतात की आता भरून द्या, पण त्यावेळी भरायचे स्टेज क्रॉस झालेले असते. देन यू हॅव टू डू समथिंग कॉल्ड एज रूट कॅनल ट्रीटमेंट, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण आतल्या नसची ट्रीटमेंट, नस रिमूव्ह करताना तिथे आर्टिफिशियल गटापरच्या नव घालतो and then we cap it. Okay, so this is root canal treatment. So don't wait till this point. आपलं तरी बऱ्याच आपल्या ह्याच्या आणि आपल्या पुढच्या या सिनियर्सचं तर बरंच संपलेलं आहे, पण you can take care of your kids, your granddaughters, grandchildren. Next, gum disease. गम डिसीज मध्ये मी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे हाऊ टू आयडेंटिफाय. गम डिसीज कितीही मोठा झाला हिरड्यांचा विकार तर तो कधीच दुखत नाही. दॅट इज इट्स स्पेशालिटी. जसं कॅन्सर आहे तसंच याचं आहे. फक्त तू काय करतो, थोडस आधी मध्ये कधीतरी ब्रश करताना रक्त येणं किंवा हिरड्या सुजणं, किंवा सगळ्यात क्लासिक म्हणजे तुमची समोरची व्यक्ती, युअर पार्टनर माइट से की अरे तुमचा तोंडाचा वास येतो. सो दॅट इज अ साइन की देअर गम्स आर गेटिंग इन्फ्लेम्ड. युअर प्लाक इज व्हेरी, यू कॅन से बॅक्टेरियोजेनिक and it can cause inflammation of gums very fast. जसं आपण ऍपल वरती आपण बघतो की लाल उठलेलं असतं. The reason is people get scared की आपल्या पोटातून काय रक्त येते का, तर 99% the bleeding is always from the gums, local cause. It is never from due to cancer. बऱ्याचदा घाबरून पेशंट पण येतात, ते हिरड्या खराब आहे घाणून कुणीच येत नाही, पण घाबरून येतात कॅन्सर वगैरे झालाय का आम्हाला. पण इनफॅक्ट द रिझन इज द बॅड गम्स. ट्रीटमेंट खूप सिम्पल आहे. इफ यू कम ऍट अर्ली एज, ओनली क्युरेडाज हेल्प्स. क्युरेडाज म्हणजे विदाउट एनी पेन, सिम्पल ट्रीटमेंटने गम्स हेल्दी होतात, टाईट होतात. यू फील व्हेरी फ्रेश, गम्स बिकम व्हेरी टाईट. इफ यू डिले देन इट गोज इन टू पेरिडॉन्टायटिस. पेरिडॉन्टायटिस म्हणजे कॉमन वर्ड मध्ये म्हणता येईल पायोरिया. मग रक्त येण्याच्या ऐवजी पस यायला लागतो, पू यायला लागतो हिरड्यातून, आणि तोंडाचा वास अजून घाण यायला लागतो. मेनी पीपल ट्राय टू मास्क इट विथ टोबॅको, स्मोकिंग, त्याने कव्हर करायला बघतात. दॅट इज नॉट द सोल्युशन. द एंड रिझल्ट इज लूज टीथ. द गम डिसीजचा एंड रिझल्ट आहे लूज टीथ. इट विल नेव्हर पेन. दात हलून हलून पडायला लागतात पण कधीच दुखत नाहीत. दिस इज हाऊ इट. दिस इज द हेल्दी टूथ विथ गुड सपोर्ट ऑफ द बोन. सो गम डिसीज मध्ये टूथ रिमेन्स नॉर्मल, टूथला काय होत नाही, पण त्याच्यावर प्लाक किंवा कॅल्क्युलस जमा झालेला असतं, त्याच्यावरती थर जमा झालेला असतो, टार्टार. इट इज अ यू कॅन से स्केली डिपॉझिशन ड्यू टू सॉल्ट्स फ्रॉम द सलाइवा. आणि ह्याच्या बाजूचं जे बोन आहे, दॅट बोन इज गेटिंग स्लोली resolved. It is getting down. Can you see the difference between this tooth and the first tooth? There is loss of bone and loss of gums. First there is loss of bone and followed by there is loss of gums. The gums will always follow the bone loss. And at this point the tooth has to go. It will be so mobile that it will fall on its own, or you can use your thread to remove it. Next is bad breath. Already I have covered most of it, but there are some other focal causes and systemic causes for bad breath. But I think I'll skip this now because due to lack of time, the different causes and how to correct bad breath. There are different ways we can correct the bad breath. Gum disease is very much reversible, but gum disease is complicated by diabetes. Diabetes ज्यांना असतो त्यांच्यामध्ये गम डिसीजचं प्रमाण खूप वाढतं. A very interesting finding is there की जेव्हा म्हणजे समजा मदर ड्युरिंग प्रेग्नन्सी, the mother has got gum disease, there is a high chance that child born during that pregnancy, after that pregnancy, will have developed cardiac disease or diabetes. There is a link nowadays. म्हणजे स्वतःला पण रिस्क आहे आणि समजा बच्चूला पण रिस्क आहे जर का तुमचं हेल्थ गम हेल्थ चांगलं नसेल. There is a proven there is a proven evidence and there is a proven correlation between diabetes and gum disease, cardiovascular heart disease and gum disease. This already I have said, cardiovascular, that is your heart diseases are there. Now I'll go to the next part, oral cancer. This is maybe for adults like us or maybe for old age people above 60s. So oral cancer can be caused by virus infections. It could be related to genetic instability due to pollution, due to sun exposure, alcohol, weakened immune system, and most important is the use of tobacco in different forms. Most prominent is smoking, chewing tobacco, and third is gutka. Even gutka can lead to cancer of oral cavity. The best way is to do periodic checkup. So I'll show you a simple machine. First is to stop the habit. That is main important thing. Now we have some presentation for how to, or some tips on how to stop the habit. That will not cover in this presentation, but I'll show you how to detect it early. All treatments, like all dental problems, including dental decay, caries, gum disease, that is the gingival disease, and third, oral cancer, has to be done with periodic checkup, and you have to detect it early, manage it early. So early detection and prompt treatment is the key. In today's world, after COVID-19, I will definitely suggest you should avoid dental treatment as much as possible, because oral cavity is a harbor, or is a, you can say, it's a go down of n number of bacteria, including viral, including bacterial, and now it is proven even COVID virus, COVID-19 can stay in salivary glands. It can be your saliva or salivary glands can be reservoir. So I suggest you should go, if at all, if the need arises, like I hope need shouldn't come to any one of you, but if the need arises, your clinic should be, your waiting in the clinic should be spaced out to a distance of 6 feet. You are at the entry, they should check with thermometer. Your patient should not be allowed with your fever. Third is patient, you should carry your own sanitizers, preferably hand to clean your hands. The clinic should have fumigation facility. The clinic should have barriers. The clinic should have a high vacuum suction to draw it. The clinic should have surface disinfectants to clean the dental chair and all the top surfaces. It should be done after every patient. The doctor should use PPE kits. The clinic should use, not only the doctor, even the associate should use protecting mask, including, and there should be only one relative with one patient. Now, seeing this scenario, there is definitely still there is a risk. I am sure 99% dentists in India will not follow all the regime. They will try to recover money and they will not follow all. In fact, patients are also not bothered whether this doctor is taking due care to stop from COVID-19. COVID-19 is only one disease which we are aware now, but there is more deadly disease, hepatitis B. There is HIV, there is tuberculosis. There are so many carriers in this population. So we should follow, or rather I follow here, universal precautions. So each patient coming to a clinic should be taken as suspected or prospective patient, either carrier or active infected patient for all of these diseases. And you should take the precautions for the benefit of your dentist himself, for the benefit of the staff of the clinic, and for benefit of all the patients, from patient to dentist, or the patient to all the staff, and from the staff or patient, or from that clinic to the next patient. All that chain has to be blocked. I think I'm getting diverted. I'll come back to oral cancer again. Now you can see in the picture, as well as you can see in thumbnail picture at me, where I'm talking now, I'm holding one machine. This is the machine, which is a penless machine, which can detect the cancer without any injection at an early age. I'll put on the light just for your benefit. And it doesn't hurt. It's like a laser light. I have put it on. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I can apply it on my mouth. I can put it in my mouth and check. So if there is anything positive, now see on my slide, if there is anything positive, now normally an oral cavity, normal light, it will look like this. There is nothing. Can you see on the slide? Mr. Dhansetti?
Yeah.
Shashikant?
Yes.
Now, when I put this light, I have done one circle. If there is any pre-cancer, it will look like this.
Okay.
So what is seen on the normal light, we cannot in fact see it, neither the patient nor the doctor. But this fluorescence light can help us detect the pre-cancer at a very early stage. That is an advantage. So this is the machine and how it detects. So this facility is not there in fact, I'm proud to say that we started it in first time for the whole of India, and now only a couple of clinics have it, maybe very sporadic. And last part I'll come, that is old age people care. Like after 60s, there is rapid deterioration of gums as well as teeth. It will have three parts for old age people. One is the problems in the lip, on the tongue, on the cheek, the mucosa. That is precancers, there is ulcers, all those problems. Second problem is either loss of teeth. All the teeth are missing or partially teeth are missing. And some people are already using dentures. So what I'll suggest now, what is the proven study? As soon as you lose teeth, and if you're just wearing denture, that your brain stimulation stops. आणि असं लक्षात आलं की तुमचं फॉरगेटफुलनेस, your loss of skin tone, loss of facial blood circulation reduces as soon as you lose tooth. And there is a high chance that if you lose tooth, there is a high chance that you can say your longevity of life is reduced thereafter. So you should ensure that if there are missing teeth, you should get it restored as and when, to keep the stimulation of the brain and to keep the stimulation of the muscles and bone active. That is the study done by Japanese. There's a paper presented by a Japanese doctor. Nowadays, we can remove the old loose teeth, we can place implant and give fixed teeth within 3 days. So all the time we were wondering ki we should give only loose tooth like denture. फक्त काढाखालीचे कवडे देणं. त्याच्याऐवजी I will suggest you should give fixed teeth which are best fixed on the implants. That is the best way of, I call it as fourth set given by God. Like जसं आपण दुधाचे दात म्हणतो permanent, and then we will have denture. But I feel implants is the best option in such cases to ensure good quality of food, nutrition, and keep the stimulation and function perfect. Pre-cancer बद्दल आपण बोललेलं आहे. So I feel nobody should die like this. Denture दात आपले ग्लास मध्ये किंवा डब्यामध्ये आहेत, तर that is, you should have your natural teeth in a mouth and then you should die, either one. That doesn't mean you should die young. Your teeth should be there till end, and even if you miss 1 or 2 teeth, you try to get it fixed. Preferably don't keep it removable. If you lose teeth, then you lose muscle tone and you lose bone also. Last point I want to make clear here is, in after 55-60, at the time of when you are retiring, there are so many burdens on you. Your health problem is one, your spouse is second, the care of your spouse, then your children are, their education is going on, they are settling, plus your stresses in your business at your office. The biggest menace all over the world right now is loss of teeth, or loss of, you can say, occlusion, or I'll put it in different word, MPDS, myofascial syndrome. That means there is pain in the face muscles, there is pain in the jaw, there is pain in the joint. When I look at me in that thumbnail picture, when I open close, there is a sound in my joint. So that is called as clicking joint. So that problem is on the rise all over the world and nobody is aware. So you're losing your teeth from the side near the gums. Either they're becoming mobile or they're getting eroded on its own because of chemical wear, acidity, or due to heavy pressures during work or at night. You are clenching your teeth unknowingly, and that is taking its toll enormously all over the world, and it results in the pain of the joint and pain in the facial muscles. MPDS we call it as, or TMJ disorder we call it as. I wish and I hope you always find a reason to smile. Thank you so much. Before I conclude, I request Dr. Apurva to talk about
प्रकाश सर कसं आहे की आता शेवटचा 1.5 मिनिट राहिलाय या सेशनचा, म्हणजे 40 मिनिटाचे सेशन असतात हे. ओके, तर once we restart the, like say, rejoin again, okay, that time, like say, Apurva will take over.
No, listen to me. Before we start, this is the slide for myth and facts. She'll just take minutes. Don't worry.
Okay.
Only one slide. Yeah. Apurva.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Prakash Patil. So good evening. I will be talking about certain myths and certain facts about dentistry. The first one is tooth extraction weakens eyesight. This is false. This is not true. There is no evidence that proves that tooth extraction leads to eyesight. If it is done in proper method, then there is no harm caused. The second is braces are only for children. This again is false. Braces can be put on children as well as adults, and as long as the patient wants to and can undergo treatment, there is no age restrictions. However, there are certain systemic factors. You have to see the density of the bone loss, etc., to see if the patient can get braces. Third is diet drinks are better for you. Then, this is false. They say the sugar-free diet drinks are better for you. However, they are aerated and hence have a large content of acid. And because of this, it causes erosion of the outer protective enamel surface. Since the protective enamel surface is gone, there is more chances of decay and loss of tooth structure. Fourth is whitening.